After a 25-year absence, Buick is back in the convertible business, and the price tag is appealing. You can pick up a new Buick Cascata starting at $34,000 with a 200 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. I mean, really, it's a good first attempt after a quarter century out of the game. The Cascata was built in Poland, and according to JD Power, it's really just a version of GM Europe's Opel Cascata. According to the Associated Press, the convertible has power seatbelt presenters. It's an interesting design element that actually pulls the front seatbelts forward to help you buckle up. It has standard safety features, including metal pop-up bars that automatically deploy behind the rear seat headrest during a rollover crash to help minimize head injuries. But the Cascata is missing some safety features many of us have become accustomed to, like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alerts. Well, with a 1.6-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder engine, the fuel economy is only rated for 20 miles per gallon in the city, 27 miles per gallon highway. I don't know, maybe it has something to do with the nearly 4,000-pound design. Like I said, not a bad first attempt. Quarter century. What a great story! Well, in the spirit of Shark Week, can we even say Shark Week?
Like Discovery owns it.
In the spirit of 7 Days of Sharks, much of the great white shark is still a mystery. Every winter, great whites head to the White Shark Cafe, which is halfway between California and Hawaii. The males will dive hundreds of feet, up to 150 times a day, but scientists still don't know why they do it. Well, researchers at Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute wanted a new camera designed to capture the male's odd behavior. Now, attaching cameras to sharks isn't new, but they wanted a camera tag that stayed on for months, a concept that most engineers found pretty fishy. If only for me. The tag had to be small, programmable, easy to attach, and it had to stay on the shark for up to 9 months, survive dives 1,000 meters deep, and bursts of acceleration to 25 miles an hour. All to record about 10 hours of footage. The Cafe Cam prototype is currently undergoing testing, primarily on how to fasten it and find a way to keep it in sleep mode until the sharks start diving. In theory, the tag would automatically release from the shark's fin once they return to the coast and send a satellite signal so it could be recovered. Once they have the proof of concept, the researchers plan to make their design open source, which is all good and well until someone wraps a business plan around it and we all start paying. What a great story! Rutgers engineers built a soft-bodied rover using silicone rubber. The vehicle doesn't have any rigid components and is actually pneumatically propelled using the same process we use to push food through our esophagus. Or our esophagi, my esophagus. The engineers have designed unique elastomeric rotary actuators based on pneumatically driven peristaltic motion. It's a new class of soft locomotion that can withstand impact, traverse irregular terrain, and even work underwater. Now, the 20-centimeter long vehicle is not exactly setting any land speed records yet. The rover kind of just juts forward at 3.7 centimeters per second, which is just a smidge over 0.08 miles per hour. But I mean, if you think about it, NASA's Curiosity rover on Mars needed a flat surface to top out at 0.09 miles per hour, which is just over 4 centimeters per second. I mean, so I guess it's in good company. The elastomeric wheels and components help the rover stand up to mechanical impact. In a drop test, engineers actually dropped the rover from 8 times its height, and it didn't cause any damage to the body or actuators. Just took the beating and crept along. The rover tech could be deployed in search and rescue missions after disasters, or even sent into deep space to explore planets. Actually, surprisingly cool for something classified as a soft, squishy robot. Squishy bots. I'm David Mantey, and this is Engineering by Design.